Noah Zane, Elizabeth, Zinni.
Okay, how old are you?
4. Today in our house because it's Corona coming around.
Is Corona making it hard for you to see your friends? Yeah.
I miss them. We sell out all the time. I like to run around.
Go back the other way.
I play with my toys,
Mm-hmm.
eat breakfast,
Mm-hmm.
then I come to watch TV. The water spilling on
Now, what else good?
You doing any homework?
me. No.
You haven't done any homework?
A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, Dino, C, O, N, O, P, Q, Y, S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time over, sing with me.
Good job.
But I do activities.
7.
7. Because if you get sick,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll have allergies like me.
Okay. Okay. Well, Noah Jane, you seem like a very smart 4-year-old. Thanks for the interview, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.